Welcome to a new course on our YouTube channel, Tafelship. In this course, we're going to talk about using songs in the EFL Classroom. Using songs is such a great way of making the classroom more fun for the students, and we're going to talk about why should we use songs inside the class and what are the steps that you need to consider to make sure that the students are really making good use from these songs and it is useful to them, not just a waste of time. There are different advantages for using songs in the classroom. First, there are the linguistic advantages. For example, songs can add to the students more vocabulary, they can enhance their listening skills, their pronunciation, and also they can become better speakers if they got more words from these songs. Also, songs can help them fix their grammatical mistakes when needed. So these are the linguistic advantages for using songs. Also, there are other psychological advantages. For example, songs can help you build a great rapport with the students. It can help them be more motivated and participate more inside the classroom. And that will help them feel better and have a more fun and safe learning environment.